Yan, may isa na nga pong request kahit song. At sang-sangin Dakhay lalang Day talwang Na umar arubos Kada kita na'y mata Kung nasin ito'y banyok ngawan rugit na bareng sumublipay di ayak asimina di ayak asimina Ag suglipay ngata apit sa imubos kong naminida Inon sikat ay matay gaburan katutino Ag sang-sangin Dakhay lalang Day talwang Naumar arubos Kada gitanay mata Unasen kada gito Asimina Ag suglipay ngata apit sa imubos kong aming edad Ito sikat ay matay gaburan katutulwa sadya'y tanem mo Aldaw rabi aman bantayan ka sadya'y tanem mo Aldaw rabi aman bantayan Yes. Yan, may sa mga pong requested song. Di tadengan, awan nagbasula, tay narami kumet amin ang pagragsaka. Ngay maniat insubad mo, sinaktam laeng to'y puso, di mo inilalang naputno nga ayat ko. Karim kaniyang inka kinalikutan, martira a puso na ikala. Anya pa iti serservina, nasamit alangin-langin ka. Awan amo, anak ka masulangin ka. Di tadengan, awan nagbasula, tay naramit kumet amin ang pagragsaka. Maniat insubad mo, sinamtam laeng to'y puso, di mo inilalang naputno nga ayat ko. Karim kaniyang inka kinalikutan, martira a puso na ikala. Anya pa iti serservina, nasambit alangin-langin ka. Awan amo, anak ka masulangin ka. Di tadengan, awan nagbasula, taipay ko amin ang kabailan. Di tadengan, awan nagpasula, sikat ng berde ng waswas kani ayaw, tanangkel ng kadagit ni arapaan. Di tatin na awan nagpasula, kay naramit ko men amin ang pagragsaka. Ngayon yakin subad mo, sinaptam laeng ko'y puso, di mo inilalang napudno ngayat ko. Karim kaniyang inka kinalikutan, martir a pusong na ikala. Anya pang iserserbina, nasamit alangan-langantang awan ako, anak ka basulang gengka. Di tatin na awan nagpasulang, dahil ba'y ko amin ang kabailan. Di tatin na awan nagpasulang, sikat ng berdi ng waswas kani ayang nananggil tayo kadagiti arapaan. Sikat ng berdi ng waswas kani ayang nananggil tayo kadagiti arapaan.
Yes. Naman na po may isang requested song dito eh. Request. In Ilocano Kid daw.
Sa siya.
Diba? Yan yung pag-arabi. Kita tayo amin ito ya Barangay Amistad Alicia Isabela. Yes. Na yung pag-arabi ni Abu Kagawad. Adya umot-amutin na ganun tayo. Awan nga, amamin nga barangay official apo nga datoy barangay Amistad, yan ang bagarabiyo kakapsat, yan ang condolence sa puti family Baliangka. Yan, na yung bagarabi. Yan, para man ang puti requested song na daw. Yan, Sir Hector Caberto. Takik daw mo agna tasibay mo hinagat agura jak may kari di agbayag denambya ko saan nakas idin abukod ko ti adang ko among dayta sikabi ako di nagriro dalin gabuken wana alang tedragsak ajak matutupan ka kitaw mo umanay ka din apasul ko ajak daw mo. Amok, amok, ana sakit. Adi ka makadenda nga maapay nga ta. Ano sumken ni panubo pag sinaing ti dalan mo ken tuy dalan ko. Sikap ako tinagriro talinipat mo di ayat ta. Gapuken kuana anang tedragsak ajak matutupan ta kidaw mo. Sikap ako tinagriro talinipat mo di ayat ta. Gapuken kuana anang tedragsak ajak matutupan ta kidaw mo. Ajak matutupan ta kidaw mo. Yes, maraming salamat po para sa Purag Request. Ayan na po, dahil ma-requested song ito yung Batuta ni Tatang.
Umay kan ading tanta kay ayam ay ayamin tatay batuta ni tatang nakalilinis nagkanas nga ikaman dumapit pitang ibunto malipata batuta ni tatang takdeng timudong nang mabalin na abalaan taadda abot na nupisite anday puksit na uray na di matamaan na batuta ni tatang tamid natin lulukwang Ket magustuhan nga ay ayamin ni Nana. Nungit irabi nga ang datatang. At ito ka batuna na sarenda. Tuyot batutang nalukmig ka na bakit. Ket tirigan na titamaan na lunte. Batunaan ay ranta. Ngay sagot kuntukan ka. Isuntuti ay ayam ka. Intun magpastikan laysa. Umay ka na din tayong tagay ayam. Ay ayamin tatay batutan tatang. Nakalindinis ng ganas na ikaman. Numapes ka na di buntu malipatan. Batutan ni tatang dakil timurong na. Mabalin na abalaan taad na abot na. Nupisite agday puksit na. Uray na maulaw di matamaan na. Batuta ni tatang tawid na kang lulungwan. Ket magusgustuhan nga ay ayamin ni Nana. Nuwi tirabi nga ang ronda na tatang. At itong batuta na isun sa renda. Tuyot batuta nalukmig na bakit. Ketirigan na titamaan na lunte. Batutaan ay ranta. Ngay sagot kuntukin ka. Isunti ay ayam ka. Intun malpastikan laysa. Isunti ay ayam ka. Intun malpastikan laysa. Yan, maraming sa request. Batutan ni tatang. And another requested song para po sa nag-request. Paano po sa nag-request? Request ni Sir Hector.
Yes, by Dero Kasunatan. Happy watching kay Ate Joy Kabuyagaw.
Since you've been gone, loneliness surrounds me. You'll find me waiting here, just in case you change your mind. Give me listen to my lonely heart beating fast for you. Since you've been gone, yesterday I know I've been crying over you. I can't tell it no more. Yesterday I know I've been crying over you, and I can tell you no more to be left here all alone. Give me a chance. Listen to my lonely heart beating fast for you. Since you've been gone, beating fast for you. Since you've been gone. Kaya maraming sa request. Since you've been gone by Eddie Pinerdina.
Cue daw ah. Yan, nadaman na po rin kasi song ito ay nga may song. Meron ka nung song yan, agayatak sa manen. Yan, para ken ka, ma'am. Siyempre, kadati amin nga viewers kayo dito. Timek, tita natin. Han, agayatak sa manen. Lamig, sikanin magpanpanunutin. Uray sa dino di papalat, jak mailarawan tuwirik naghan. Agayatak sa banen, inasik ganda, nakiam-am mo nga, inigamang tuwi-iba, na awang tinagan mo. Tingem din mo nga amo, tuy puso na alam mo. Han, agayatak sa manen. Lamig, sikatin ng panpanunutin. Uray sa dino di papalat, jak mailarawan tuwirik naghan. Agayatak sa manen, nagistorya ka, makaparay awit na, adunga oras na ibusta, enjak nga na uman. Ket manipot ibig, among nga nangarugi. Han, agayatak sa manen. Lamig, sikanin ng panpanunutin. Uray sa dino di papalat, jak mailarawan tuwirik naghan. Agayatak sa manen, agayatak sa manen, agayatak sa manen.
Nagawa siya po kay aking yun say.
You're watching Mami Kawi.
You can dance every dance with the guy who gave you the arm and hold your tongue. up for the man who held your hand nights of pale moonlight. But don't forget who's taking you home, and if your arms you're gonna be. So darling, say the last dance for me. Oh, I know that the music fine, like it's sparkling wine. Go and have your fun, love and sing, but beware your part. Don't give your heart to anyone. But don't forget what's taking you home, and if you're wrong, you're gonna be. So darling, say the last dance for me. Baby, don't you know I love you so, and you feel it when we touch. I will never, never let you go. I love you so much. You can dance, go and carry on till the night is gone and it's time to go. If he asks if you're all alone, can't take you home, we must have him now. 'Cause don't forget who's taking you home, and if you're arms you're gonna be. So darling, say the last dance for me. But don't forget who's taking you home, and if you're wrong, you're gonna be. So darling, say the last dance for me. So darling, say the last dance for me.
Yes.
Another requested song. Para po sa nag-request?
Yes, para naman kay Ma'am Ana Hilwang. Yan, Only You by Lord Soriano. Yes, hello to Ma'am Hilda de Guzman.
Only you can set me free from my long misery, and only you can make me happy. You have made my dreams come true when you said you love me too. Oh, I love you. Oh, I love only you. Every day, you're always on my mind, and my heart keeps beating just for you. Oh, darling, every moment you're in my arms, I forget the worries in my life. worries in my life. Only you can set me free from my long misery, and only you can make me happy. You have made my dreams come true when you say you love me too. Oh, I love you. Oh, I love only you. Oh, I love you. Oh, I love only you. Maraming sa nag-request, only you. Lord Soriano. Another requested song para po sa nag-request. It's late in the evening. She's wanting the clothes to wear. She puts on her makeup and brushes her long blonde hair. And then she asks me, do I look alright? And I say yes, you look wonderful tonight. We go to a party and everyone turns to see this beautiful lady who's walking around with me. And then she asked me, do you feel alright? And I say yes, I feel wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful because I see the love light in your eyes, and the wonder of it all is that you just don't realize how much I love you. It's time to go home now. I've got an aching head, so I give her the car key. Then she hands me to bed, and then I tell her, as I turn off the light, I say, my darling, you look wonderful tonight. Oh, my darling, you You are wonderful tonight. Kaya maraming sa request ng Wonderful Tonight by Eric Clapton.
Yan, sa request pa ng apartment number 9. Just follow the stairways to this lonely world of mine. You'll find me waiting here in apartment number 9. Not so very long ago, you walk away from me, and after all the plans we made, you decided to refrain. Loneliness surrounds me without your arms around me, and the sun will never shine in apartment number 9. I keep waiting in this lonely room, just in case you change your mind. You'll find me waiting here in apartment number 9. Loneliness surrounds me without your arms around me, and the sun will never shine in apartment number 9. And the sun will never shine in apartment number 9. Yan, ay sa apartment number 9.
para po sa nagbukas. Oceans apart, day after day, and I slowly go insane. I hear your voice on the line, but it doesn't stop the pain. If I sit next to never, how can we say forever? Wherever you go, whatever you do, I will be right here waiting for you. Whatever it takes, or how my heart breaks, I will be right here waiting for you. I took for granted all the times that I thought would last somehow. I heard your laughter, I tasted peace, but I can't get near you now. Oh, can't you see it, baby? You got me going crazy. Wherever you go, whatever you do, I will be right here waiting for you. Whatever it takes, or how my heart breaks, I will be right here waiting for you. I wonder how we can survive this romance, but in the end, if I'm with you, I'll take the chance. Oh, can't you see it, baby? You got me going crazy. Wherever you go, whatever you do, I will be right here waiting for you. Whatever it takes, or how my heart breaks, I will be right here waiting for you. Waiting for you. It's already gone.
Ayan, pasensya na po. Dagitayan yung magigan nga requested song yo, auntie.
Automatic awan.
Mabalin nga sukatan milatan. Yan, may sama na po nga requested song. Just Another Woman. Yan, may sagot ka ro kini Hilario Barreras. So I'm sure I'm in control. A lady with a plan, believing that life as a little package I hold in my hand. I've got it together. They call me the girl who knows just what to say and do. Still I fumble and fall 'Cause when it comes to you, just another woman in love. I get out of school, a fire of control, just another fool. You touch me and I'm weak, like a feather in the wind, and I can't wait to feel you touching me again. With you I'm just another woman, just another woman in love. So pardon me if I should stand and tremble like a child, that wanting me look all over your face is driving me wild. I'm just what you make me, can't wait till you take me and set all my feelings free. I know that you can, so come be my man. Tonight I wanna be just another woman in love. I get out of school, a fire of control, just another fool. You touch me and I'm weak, like a feather in the wind, and I can't wait to feel you touching me again. With you I'm just another woman, just another woman in love. Just another woman in love. I get out of school, a fire of control, just another fool. You touch me and I'm weak, like a feather in the wind, and I can't wait to feel you touching me again. With you I'm just another woman, just another woman in love. With you I'm just another woman, just another woman in love. Yan, para na po sa nag-request ng Just Another Woman, si Ma'am Aliangan, Lenny Aliangan, yes. Thank you for requesting that song. Ayan, tatepay po alas 7. Nakapila ka no apo nga kumansyon apo. Yan, kitain teman. Ni Pido Sarmiento. Yan, mawagan man apo tibiyang niya, Sir Pido Sarmiento. Tao may kanuman namang isagot ni Sonata. Dahil ta nakakalugong sa tiwine. Apa, nagtarake mo gayam ni Uncle. Palakpakan nyo man, auntie. Taknuman mo't nga maganahan niya. Sir, di ka to, sir. Yan, ano kantan? Yan, Magellan ka naman.
Hello. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
Apo, English. Panis.
Ako si Pedro Pindoco. From Andarayan Village, Barawi Street, Andarayan Village, Manila.
Apo, Manila so, Uncle. Ano titarakin mo di dyan?
CP number.
Apo, adapay CP. Ang adagad balo di taa.
09-444-10-16-20.
Okay, 222. Guano met sa deta, Uncle.
Ako si Pedro Sarmiento. Nagmahal, nasaktan, kumanta.
Ano na ikaw? Ano kaso, Uncle? Ay, Magellan. Ah, sige, Magellan. Kano ti kaso na. Ay, palakpak taranting! Tatano, ganahan mama ni Uncle. Yes. Thank you so much.
Oma 16, 1521, when Philippines was discovered by Magellan. They were sailing day and night across across the big ocean until they saw a small Limasawa Island. Magellan landed in Limasawa at noon. The people met him very welcome on the shore. They did not understand the speaking they had done, because Castilla gave that waray man. When Magellan landed in Cebu City, Rahamobon met him, they were very happy. All people were baptized and built the church of Christ. That's the beginning of our Catholic life. When Magellan visited in Mactan to Christianize then everyone, but Lapu-Lapu meet him on the shore, invite Magellan to go back home. Then Magellan got so mad, ordered those men to come of bloods. Mactan Island he could not grab, cause Lapu-Lapu is very hard. Then the battle began at dawn, bullets, spears, versus guns and cannons. When Magellan was hit on his neck, stumbled down and cried and cried. Oh mother, mother, I am sick. Call the doctor very quick. Doctor, doctor, shall I die? Tell my mama, do not cry. Tell my mama, do not cry. Tell my mama, do not cry. That's the Magellan in the island of Mactan, long time ago, ladies and gentlemen.
Apo, naglaing. Wow, napukaw-pukaw na na Apo. Ayan, pares ang nakanumot ng Philippine Geography. Ah, diba?
Philippines has the greatest story, according to our geography. Manila is the capital city that went from the other country. Metro Manila, Quezon City, Calaucan, Pasay, Makati, Marikina, Pasig, Zapote, Malabon, Las Piñas, Parañaque. From the north, Batatis, Apari, Ilocos Sur, Ilocos Norte, Isabela, Cagayan Valley, Mountain Province, La Union, Baguio City, Nueva Ecija, Nueva Vizcaya, Tarlac, Pangasinan, Pampanga, San Balis, Bataan, Abra, Bulacan, Cavite, Batangas, Laguna. Now let's go to the southern Luzon, Camarines, Norte, Quezon, Albay, Camarines Sur, Catanduanes, Masbate, Sorsogon, and we add 3 islands more, Mindoro, Marinduque, Romblon, Endano, Visayan, Sur, Limuta, Sugar, Coconut, and Corn. Ay, Cebu, Mactan, Mandaue. Ay, Manila is the capital city. Ay, Aldores and Albestis City. According to our geography, Philippines is a beautiful country. iyo sa anagan, ilya kay gurutan, ta iso ti kadakkelan, a probinsya ti Pagilian. Probinsya mi ti Isabela, ilimiti Alicia, baryo mi to'y Amistad, ito'y yak nga naiya na. No iti ugali mi, naragsak ken natal na, nadayaw ken narespeto, awan pa iti at taktakaw. No iti trabaho mi, daldalon ti turongin mi, nalawa nga kapagayan, naposlon pa'y nga padanom. Mabayag pa'y ti panagrap, na alamin iti pakyaw mi, akraman pa'y iti sika, tay tate ugali mi. Mabayag pa'y ti panagkapas, na alamin iti pakyaw mi, akraman pa'y ti sika, karyadaan ken itreseran. Kalpas lang iti apit, da kamintay maipipit, utang min iti aglawlaw, agsasaronon iti agsingir. Ngem di kamton madanagan, may panggap matimbakan, waminton nga bukbukot, na ay ayan nga sa gibo. Nakade 4 jay da kwartana, ako'y kuya ko'y jawan kwartana, kapot bisyo tong etweting, sabongero ken babaero. No tiempo pa iti pogrot, ni asawam ket managpungtot, di kanto pa'y makaapot, agiwalin sa ako mo. No tiempo matitiapit, ni asawam ket managtungit, kwanan tulat ay maliplipit, kukwam matiak patit-patit. No tiempo pa'y tiapit, ni asawam ket managkalbit, no madanon itirabiin, iyara sa asnan, lakay iti pamtasilawan nakaturog na gitubingan. Buisit ka nga babae na bandugak, awal laki dyan, paigtik pati silaw, naganungan laktan, di ka marunong palaygait. Buisit ka nga lalaki, di ka palagtalaw. Wala nagtalawak, mapadag niya panay.
Kay bye. Basta ibatin di apit mo. Thank you so much, Sir Pido Sarmiento. Naglayang mo gayam nga kumansyon ni Sir Pido niya. Adila unay, di ka makaapot ko na nanante. Talaga nga, pilma mo na. Di makaapot. Favorite ko adi nga linya ko, di makaapot. Di ba? Nangalam magiging nga lyrics mo, Uncle? Nangalam magiging nga lyrics mo?
Ay, ano mo na?
Ah?
Siyempre, kolehiyo ang.
Apo, giging launay ko.
Engineer.
Di ka makaapot ko na. Ay! Kung ano isagid ng sika, dyan mo gayam ni.
Maraming salamat
O,
at
diba,
magandang gabi, bayan.
Bye! Thank you so much, Sir. Subli ka damdama maninwan. Awo pa paanlagwan. Thank you. Yan, palakpakan nyo man kakabsat. Yan ni Sir Pido Sarmiento.